Stop paying monthly fees for AI tools that just give you boring, generic text. If you are tired of wasting hours writing the perfect prompt only to get a wall of text that you still have to rewrite yourself, pay close attention. Today, we are looking at a brand new system that replaces your entire AI tool stack for less than the cost of a cheap lunch. Plus, if you click the link in the description, I am giving away 10 exclusive software bonuses that will put your traffic on absolute autopilot, but only for the first 50 action takers. Welcome back to App Verdict. Today, I am reviewing AI Skills Agent. My quick verdict? This is a massive upgrade over standard chatbots. Instead of you prompting an AI and hoping for the best, this system comes loaded with over 200 professional, ready-to-run skills. You give it one command, and it actually does the work for you, start to finish. If you want agency-level deliverables without paying agency prices, this is a must-have. So, what exactly is AI Skills Agent? It is a cloud-based dashboard designed for marketers, creators, and agencies who want finished assets, not just ideas. Most AI tools require you to know exactly how to engineer a prompt. If you want a sales funnel, you have to prompt it step by step. With AI Skills Agent, the procedures are already built in. It handles sales pages, email sequences, full funnels, deep market research, and SEO content clusters. The best part is that it actually outputs real deliverables, like formatted documents, spreadsheets, and slide decks. It completely removes the learning curve for beginners who struggle with traffic and content creation, while saving veterans thousands of dollars a month on software subscriptions. Let us jump into the dashboard so you can see exactly how this works. As you can see, the layout is clean and totally beginner-friendly. On the main screen, you have access to the full library of over 200 AI skills. Let's say you need to launch a new product. Instead of bouncing between 5 different apps, you just click on the Funnel Architect skill. You tell it what your product is, and the agent takes over. It maps out your opt-in page, your bridge page, your main sales copy, and your upsells. It runs the entire framework in the correct order, reviews its own work, and hands you the finished copy ready to paste into your website. If you want to do market research, you click the Deep Research mode. It digs through the data and hands you a structured report. No babysitting the AI, no hitting regenerate over and over. You just pick a skill, click Run, and get your finished file.
Hey, stop! Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes, because I'm about to show you why prompting is officially dead, and why the smartest marketers stopped writing prompts months ago, and more importantly, how you can get AI to do the entire job for you, with 0 monthly fees. Over the past year, something strange happened. AI models got smarter than almost anyone expected. Better reasoning, better writing, genius-level intelligence, and yet, your results didn't really change. Why? Think about it. You typed the prompt, you waited, and you got back a wall of text that you still had to fix, still had to format, still had to rewrite. You didn't get work done. You got homework. You asked for a funnel and got a description of a funnel. You asked for research and got confident-sounding guesses. You asked for a sales page and got generic filler anyone could spot. So you bought more prompt packs. You saved 400 prompts in a Google Doc, and you still opened a blank page every morning. Here's what nobody told you. The problem was never the AI. The AI was always smart enough. What was missing was the skill. Because a professional doesn't just know things. They follow a procedure. A copywriter follows a structure. A funnel strategist follows a sequence. A researcher follows a method, step by step, every single time. And that procedure is exactly what a prompt can never give you. Because a prompt is a wish. A skill is a system. That's why we built something different, something smarter, something simpler, something that actually finishes the job. Introducing AI Skills Agent, an AI dashboard loaded with 200+ professional-grade skills that gives you the exact procedure behind every marketing task, executed start to finish automatically, and delivered as a finished, ready-to-use file, all from one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI tool. This is an AI that actually does the work. Here's what happens after you activate AI skills. Agent, you log in. You pick a skill, or you just describe the job, and instantly, the agent takes over. It selects the right skills, it runs them in order, it checks its own work, and it hands you the finished result. A complete sales page, a full email sequence, an entire funnel, a deep research report, a client-ready slide deck, not paragraphs, deliverables, which means no prompting, no rewriting the first draft, no juggling 10 different tools, just finished work. And here's where it gets even better. Because these aren't shortcuts. They're the same procedures professionals charge thousands for. The copywriting skills follow proven frameworks. Hook, proof, objections, close. The funnel skills map every page in sequence. Opt-in, bridge, sales, upsell. And deep research mode doesn't guess. It keeps digging until it has real answers. So your outputs don't just come faster, they come out better. Better copy, better structure, better conversions. And you can sell every bit of it because a commercial license is included. Sales pages for clients, research reports, marketing audits, content calendars, produced in minutes, sold for hundreds. One skill run can pay for this entire app many times over. And yes, it's beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, no prompt engineering, no learning curve. If you can type one sentence, you can run every skill inside. Now let's talk about the price. Normally, to get this work done, you'd be paying copywriters, paying strategists, paying for 5 different AI subscriptions every single month. But today, you don't have to. With AI Skills Agent, you get everything with a simple one-time payment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees, just activate it once, and it's yours. And every new skill we release gets added to your account automatically. And yes, you're fully protected with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it, test it, run every skill inside. If you don't love it, we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So now the decision is yours. Do you keep writing prompts and fixing drafts? Or do you let 200+ professional skills do the work for you? If you're ready to, turn one command into finished work. Replace expensive tools and freelancers. Deliver client-ready files in minutes. Save hundreds every month. And finally use AI at its full potential. Then click the button below. Activate AI Skills Agent and stop prompting for good. No limits, no subscriptions, no stress, just powerful AI actually doing the work. Your move starts now.
The front-end price for AI Skills Agent is a crazy one-time fee of just $14.95. That gets you in the door with all 200 skills. But there are a few optional upgrades you should know about to really scale things up. Upgrade 1 is the Unlimited Edition for $47. This removes all restrictions. If you want to use this every single day to pump out endless content, SEO articles, and client projects, you absolutely need this upgrade. Upgrade 3 is the Traffic System for $37. The main software builds your assets, but this upgrade gives you the exact viral and SEO strategies to drive thousands of eyeballs to your new funnels. Upgrade 6 is the Agency License for $37. This is a no-brainer if you want to make fast cash. You can use the software to build sales pages or research reports and sell them directly to clients, keeping 100% of the profits. Now, I promised you a massive bonus package if you pick this up through my link in the description. AI Skills Agent is amazing at creating content, so I put together 10 exclusive traffic and conversion bonuses to help you monetize that content immediately. Bonus 1 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool finds hidden, highly profitable search terms across Google and YouTube, so you know exactly what content to generate. Bonus 2 is Backlinks Warrior software. You'll get high-quality backlinks to push the SEO articles you generate straight to the top of Google. Bonus 3 is Article Analyzer. This makes sure every piece of text you publish is perfectly optimized for search engines. Bonus 4 is Vid Builder, a drag-and-drop tool to build lightning-fast video sales pages to host the video scripts AI Skills Agent writes for you. Bonus 5 is the WP Video Ace plugin. This lets you create stunning review pages and easily manage your own affiliate bonuses. Bonus 6 is Soci Ultima. This tool pushes your content to your exact target audience across all major social media platforms for free. Bonus 7 is Facebook Viral Turbo Machine. This is a neat trick that locks your best content, so visitors are forced to share it on Facebook before they can read it, creating a massive viral loop. Bonus 9 is Gram Suite. This puts your Instagram on autopilot, automatically engaging with users to build your following while you sleep. Bonus 10 is WP Email Timer Plus. This lets you drop beautiful countdown timers straight into your promotional emails to force fast action and skyrocket your sales. To wrap this up, AI Skills Agent is one of the most powerful and efficient tools I've seen this year. It completely eliminates the need to pay for 10 different monthly AI subscriptions. For a one-time fee of under $20, you get a system that actually does the heavy lifting for you. But you need to act fast. That massive 10-part bonus package I just mentioned is strictly limited to the first 50 people who buy through my link in the description. Once those 50 spots are gone, the bonuses will be removed permanently. Click the first link in the video description right now to secure your copy of AI Skills Agent and lock in all 10 of those exclusive bonuses. After your purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Thank you so much for watching this app verdict review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense reviews, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use this software. I will see you in the next video.